Today's video is one of those moments that reminds me of why I enjoy doing this so much. A proper unboxing from a brand that has earned a serious reputation for doing things the right way. This is not a full review, at least not yet. This is just a first look and a teaser for what's coming up next. Hey, there you are, and welcome to My Dude Watch. My name is Jason, and today we are unboxing the Sector II Sport in blue from Nodus Watches. No deep reviews, no hype, just first impressions. This is going to be fun. You know the deal. Grab a snack, pull up a chair, and let's talk watches. If you're new here, this channel is all about value, design, and watches that are actually affordable and obtainable. So today we are going to take a look at this Nodus. We will check out the presentation, build quality, and that all-important first impression. A full update and a long-form video is coming up later. So today is just about the experience. Right away, Nodus keeps this thing clean and intentional. No over-the-top fluff here, just a solid, well-thought-out presentation that feels purposeful. This is the kind of packaging that tells you the brand is focused on the watch itself and not distractions. Everything here is laid out cleanly, and that's something Nodus does consistently. Attention to detail without excess. And here it is, the Sector Sport in blue. Wow, that is nice. That blue immediately jumps out at you. It's not loud, it's not flat. It's controlled, sporty, and kind of feels like it's got some depth to it as well. This is one of those designs that looks intentional from every angle. Case proportions feel balanced, and nothing here looks accidental. It's 38 millimeters in case diameter, 47 millimeters in length, and a sweet 11.7 millimeters thick. This is just a sharp-looking timepiece, and it's designed to be worn, not stuck in a box somewhere. This dial is sharp. I love the double battens up at the 12 and the numerals at the 3, 6, and 9. This is just a clean, well-balanced, symmetrical design. Now, this watch features a bezel and crown made of raw bronze, so remember, it will develop a beautiful patina and even darken some over time. It's really cool, too. The Sector II's case and crystal have been re-engineered and redesigned multiple times, trying to achieve a thinness, and they've done so at 11.7 millimeters, one of the slimmest Seiko NH-based designs ever made, all while maintaining 100 meters of water resistance. It has a clean, robust, box-shaped AR-coated sapphire crystal, which allows the dial and hands to sit closer to the glass compared to conventional crystal shapes. This is an efficient, high-end aesthetic. Man, it just looks great. And now let's talk about the feel, because this is where Microbrands either win over or lose enthusiasts like yourself. The bracelet feels solid, articulation is smooth, and there's a reassuring weight behind it. And it's just not too heavy either. Sometimes a bracelet can just feel flimsy, but that's not the case here. The clasp is exactly what you would expect at this level, secure, clean, and well executed. No sharp edges, no rattling. Even before actually wearing this watch, it gives you that feeling of confidence. You can tell it was designed by people that really do wear watches. Let me leave you with some more video of this beautiful beast while we wrap this thing up. As far as first impressions are concerned, I got to tell you, these are extremely strong. But the real story comes later when we discuss wrist time, daily wear, comfort, accuracy, and how it holds up beyond the honeymoon phase. That full update is coming soon, so if you want to see how this watch performs after real use, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment and let me know what you think the focus of the full review should be. Thanks so much for being part of this channel, and please consider subscribing if you've not yet done so, and I will see you on the next one.
And let's talk watches.